A state-level workshop focused on using modern technology and innovative initiative for the prevention, surveillance and control of livestock diseases was held at the Pragna Bhavan in Agartala. The workshop was inaugurated by Deepa D, Nair, Secretary of the Animal Resource Development Department, alongside ARDD Director Dr. N.K. Chanchal.
Ma'am, good morning and thank you for being here. আমরা আশা করব পরিবেশ আমাদের সবুজ থাকবে, নির্মল থাকবে। আশা করব আপনাদের সবার কাছ থেকে
Driven by massive expansion in regional livestock farming over the last 5 years, the training aims to equip local veterinarians with skills to tackle emerging animal disease. Special emphasis is being placed on controlling zoonotic diseases.
Expert institutions like College of Veterinary Sciences, Khanpara, Assam. We are also joined by experts from Indian Veterinary Research Institute, from WBLDC, and also other technical experts in the field. And as we all know, animal husbandry sector has been expanding in Tripura in the last 5 years in the form of different programs. And at the same time, there are a lot of threats to and challenges in the sector because of the climate change and several other aspects. Human and animal diseases are, vector-borne diseases are increasing. As a result of which, it is very important that the young cadre of officers are well versed with the latest updates and developments in the field of diseases, which is threat is also to the humans. So it is extremely important that we study and we update our knowledge base. And towards this aim, today we are having this seminar, and I hope that our young cadre of officers will get a very good exposure and they will grow with the inputs that is given.
LDP. A warm welcome to you. Beautiful morning.
Reported by Nair from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.